Hey guys! Today I'm going to be trying Office Siren makeup. What is an Office Siren? When I think of Office Sirens, I think of Giselle from the movie The Devil Wears Prada, or anyone even in that movie. I also think of Rachel from Friends, and the term corpcore, which is office fashion with a twist. To start off, I'm going to be attempting a thinner brow look using eyeshadow. I haven't really found a pencil or cream or anything to match my hair color yet perfectly, so that's what I'm using right now. I'm using a Real Techniques brush. To prep my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, which helps my makeup just last all day long for me. I like to use 2 or 3 drops and spread it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be concealing my eyebrows using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. I've been using this concealer for years now and I love it so much. I love how full coverage it is and how thick it is, so it makes it really easy to cover up my hairs and really shape my eyebrows nicely. While carving out my eyebrows, I really like to connect the two lines to try to make them as straight as I can. I also like putting concealer in between my brows as well. Next, I'm going to be also carving out the top of my brows with concealer. I know most people don't really do this anymore, but I like using concealer since it's thicker than my foundation. It's easier to cover the hairs I don't really want to show. So to really achieve this Office Siren look, I feel like I need a nice arched eyebrow, so that's what I'm really trying to aim for. I don't know if it's just me, but if I don't get like the perfect brow I'm going for, I feel like my whole makeup look will not be like perfect, you know? To blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite Real Techniques brush, which I use for almost everything. I definitely let my concealer sit for a little too long, but it's okay. Like this under eye concealer has been sitting for a minute. It's just gonna take longer to blend out. I also like using a beauty blender, which I like to get damp to blend out my eyebrows and my entire makeup really fast. Finally, time for the eye look. I'm gonna be going in with a dark brown eyeshadow mixed with a like reddish brown eyeshadow to do a smoky eye, but a really soft smoky eye to achieve a clean corporate look in a sense. Next, I'm going to be blending out that like darker brown with a more lighter reddish brown again. And then towards my lid, I'm going to be doing the black. Just on my lid though is where I'm going to be putting the black eyeshadow. And I'm also mixing this black with a dark brown so it's not too harsh. I like to go back where I see any harsh lines and try to buff that out nicely so it's a nice soft look. Next, I'm going to be doing a really small winged liner, and I'm also later on going to be doing my waterline. After doing research on 90s makeup and Office Siren looks, I feel like the makeup is pretty subtle, so I don't want a really big wing, just something really nice and soft. After that, I'm going in with a white eyeshadow. I'm going to be putting that all along my brow line to bring the look together more. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade C10. This foundation matches me perfectly. It's really lightweight though. It's not really full coverage, but I like a really light, soft foundation which doesn't feel like I have a lot of makeup on. And I feel like Office Sirens don't really have too much makeup on in these looks, or it doesn't look like they have necessarily a lot of makeup on when they do. So I feel like this would be like the perfect foundation. Even a BB cream would work well for this look. To blend out my foundation, I like to use a Real Technique sponge. I like the blue one for my foundation. I'm not sure exactly which one this is, but just look out for the blue one. And I also like to spray my beauty blenders down with one size setting spray. I feel like that's a really nice hack, which makes your makeup last all day. Now I'm just blending out the concealer that I used to carve out my brows from earlier with my leftover foundation. I'm just making sure all that is blended out. To brighten up and conceal my under eyes, I'm going to be going in again with that Chestnut shade from Too Faced. And I'm also going on my nose, under my chin, under my lips. And then I'm also going to be using my beauty blender again with that leftover foundation to blend everything out. For a really lifted like face look, I like to bring the concealer all the way up to my temples. I really like the bright under eye look, so I like to get concealer that's maybe 3 shades lighter than my foundation to really get a nice bright under eye. And to make sure my makeup lasts all day, I like to spray my beauty blender again when I'm blending out my concealer. That ensures everything stays in place and I have minimum transfer. Lately, I've been obsessed with red blush, so I'm going in with the red Glossier blush in the color Spark. I also like to put a little blush on my nose, but now I'm going to go in and blend that blush with a brush from Real Techniques again. It's like a fluffy but kinda dense brush, so I'm able to spread it out exactly where I want it to go. This blush is so pretty and is so layerable. So after I let this layer blend and dry out, I'm gonna go in with another layer. And I also like to set my red blush always with Exhibit A blush by NARS. That's my all-time favorite red blush and it's been lasting me so long, so I definitely recommend. To make sure my blush shows through my glasses, I'm gonna be adding a little more on both sides. And I'm going to also put it lower than I usually put it. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the One Size setting powder in the deepest shade they have. I don't really like baking because I try to avoid flashbacks, so I just use this setting powder all over and I pat it all the way in. Especially where it creases, like my smile lines and my forehead area. Now I'm doing like a soft contour on my nose using powder. I'm just using powder from an eyeshadow palette, like a dark brown. And I like to put it on both sides of my nose, the bottom of my nose, and I like to create a line. And then I like to go back in to clean up that contour with more setting powder. For highlight, I'm going to be using this pretty silvery highlight. The fallout was crazy. It was actually an eyeshadow, but it still worked. It's still cute. I like to bring it nice and high up and also on the tip of my nose. I also like to put the highlight right underneath my eyebrows to really brighten up that eyeshadow I put there. It's really pretty and glittery. Next, I'm going to be doing a Siren eye, which is pretty similar to a cat eye, just more subtle and thinner. The line is going to be extremely thin, but it still makes a difference. To make sure I keep those lines nice and clean, I'm going to be cleaning up with my Too Faced Beauty Concealer in the shade Chestnut again. To blend that out, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush and I'm going to be bringing that along underneath my eyes. Finally, for the last and final step, my lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with a black lip liner. I personally like using jumbo size lip liners. And then for my lip color, I'm going to be using this pinkish red color. It's really pretty and creamy. It's kind of matte, but not really glossy. So I'm going to be layering with more lip gloss. I love this color. It's neutral yet pinky. It's so cute, but I like to add a little more red to the lip color. So I'm going to be using this pinky brownish red lip gloss to top it off. And then I also added like a clear gloss to make it look more shiny. I almost forgot my waterline. I'm not going to be doing my actual like waterline because I have really watery eyes, so I'm going to be doing closer to my lash line, you know, like as close as I can get, but to still achieve that look. All done! I also added highlight. And now time for the glasses. I'm so happy with how this look turned out. It came out so good. I think I look like an office siren, What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, please. But this was so fun, guys. Please let me know what you think. I had such a great time. Bye!